everybody. It's Friday. I'm so excited because it's a flash sale, and I'm also going to show you how I use a bunch of these styling products on my hair because that's what the flash sale is today. So if you're just catching this, it's Friday, September 6th, and the flash sale ends Sunday. So hit me up if you want to get some of these styling products that I use on my own hair today. So I'm also going to show you my tools, how I use these products, everything in a really quick way, hopefully. Try to keep these videos under 10 minutes. This is my hair just air dried, you guys. Air dried, went to bed with my hair wet. So I do that because I'm a busy mom and I don't have time to blow dry my hair. It's so thick, but I still do blow dry it. So I'm going to kind of give you the rundown on how I use these products before and after I blow dry, when it's wet and then when it's dry. So I get out of the shower, I use my smoothing system most of the time. Last night I used the black 2-in-1 first, and then I used my purple shampoo second, then I use the smoothing conditioner. So I kind of alternate between the smoothing shampoo and the clarifying. The clarifying and the purple just keep me nice and bright and light for my blonde hair. So when I get out of the shower, about every 4 washes, I add my split end mender just to my ends, and I let that sit for about a minute. Then I alternate between the CC cream, which you can get right now for free. It's an only for you product. I love this. It has a little bit of hold, but it's like a really nice leave-in hair perfector. And I just like the way it makes my hair feel. But if I don't have that, or if I just feeling like I want to switch it up a little bit, because it's always good to kind of switch up your products once in a while, I'll use the Restore Leave-In Conditioner, which is really, really nice. So that's kind of what I put in my hair when it's wet, go to bed with my hair wet. And this is how it wakes up, how I wake up. It's super wavy underneath, and it's kind of frizzy on top. So that's just my texture. Okay, so what I do first is I put in a little bit of the thermal heat protectant styling shield. So I'm going to put just a little tiny bit, like the size of a dime, put it in my hair or in my hands. So it's like lightly in my hands, and I'm just going to kind of work it through my hair here from my ears down. You can see it adds so much shine just by doing that. I don't put too much up at the base because I don't want my hair to feel or look greasy up there. So, okay, I got that in. Now, one of the brand new products in the flash sale is the texturizing spray. I don't have that yet, but what I do to make my hair feel like it's sort of second day dirty is I'll add a little bit of hairspray and a little bit of dry shampoo to kind of give me that texture, especially at my base. So I'm going to put that in. I know a lot of my VIPs love the dry shampoo because it does give you a little bit of lift. So if you want to kind of eliminate a few of, I mean, we all need dry shampoo when our hair is dirty. So if you want to not use this as much and kind of save this for those really dirty days, you might want to get the texturizing spray. Then I'm just going to kind of spray at the end. Actually, I'm going to spray with a little bit of hairspray for finishing. Okay, so my favorite dryer, I've been using a hair dryer in my salons for basically 20 years. This is the Porcelain Ceramic Bobless Pro. I love this hair dryer. This is the key tool to have on your dryer if you're trying to get your hair smooth, or if you're trying to build tension and volume. The reason why you want to leave this on your dryer is because you can then set your dryer here and get tension on it with it being a safe distance away when you're round brushing. So I don't usually round brush my hair. I use my paddle brush. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so now that my hair is dried with my paddle brush and it was dry before, but I smoothed with the dryer, so then I can go back through and curl it. I'm going to use my Hot Tools 1-inch iron, and then I'm going to alternate it and do my 3-barrel wave iron. So I'm going to kind of do every other piece, and that's going to give me just like a really messy curl that looks a little like beachy and not like so perfect. So I'm going to do that right now. Now I'm going to spray in a little bit of my hairspray, like I said, for texture. I used the dry shampoo before, and now I'm just going to kind of give it some dirt and grit for the styling look. Okay, now I'm going to curl it. Okay, my hair is all done. It took me about 10 minutes to just do large sections, alternating the curling iron and the wave iron. You can see it, like I have not combed it out or anything like that. So now what I'm going to use is a little bit of my Black Groom styling clay. This is going to be kind of for the ends and just to kind of piece it out. Just put it on my fingertips, like the size of a pea basically. And I'm just going to comb through these big chunks with my fingers. Just comb it out. How fun that is. So fun. Something different. Just going to give my hair a bunch of volume and texture with all these products, but my hair still feels clean. It doesn't feel weighted down. And then I'm gonna spray it. But with this flash sale, you guys, you could kind of eliminate 3 of those products in this style by just using the texturizing spray. I can't wait to get it. And I'll probably do this again, showing you guys how you could use a texturizing spray for this look. Awesome. And then the spray. This is a medium hold, and so it's really movable. It's not going to feel like hard and crusty. It's just going to be a nice soft hold. Like I said, the texturizing spray could kind of eliminate the dry shampoo step, and I probably would still use this, but you could get the hairspray and this for $20 together if you buy the texturizing spray today or this weekend. So I hope you guys like this style, and let me know if you want to try some Monate.